The 3 seconds between the phone ringing and your agent saying hello decide how the whole call goes. If they see who's calling and what happened last time, that call will start differently. Let's see how CloudTalk brings all of that into Zendesk. It all starts with the setup. The emails that you use in CloudTalk and in Zendesk actually need to match. That's what powers the automatic ticket assignment. Once you're connected, you decide how the calls land in Zendesk. You set the ticket type, status, priority, and who it gets assigned to. Say an inbound call comes in from a customer who already has an open ticket about a missing feature. You can push that call straight into their existing ticket instead of creating a duplicate one. A missed call. Auto-create a new ticket, mark it high priority, and assign it to a specific group so someone can follow up before the customer calls back angry. And if you've got a VIP number that plays by different rules, you set those rules per number. They will take priority over everything else. You can also map the call data straight into Zendesk ticket fields. That's what unblocks the real call reporting in Zendesk Explore, so you can finally see how your team's workload is distributed. For your agents, everything lives inside Zendesk. Every phone number on the page is one click to dial. The inbound calls ring right there. And the moment the call comes in, the right Zendesk record opens up automatically. Each agent picks what they can land on, the ticket or the right contact. There is no more searching mid-call. Plus, the agent status flows between Zendesk and CloudTalk both ways, available, away, or on call. So your team is never online here and away there. During the call, the agents can drop tags and notes right in the CTI. When they hang up, the work is basically done. Every CloudTalk call gets logged with the call dispositions and recording attached. The SMS conversations will log into the same ticket too. If you've got conversation intelligence, the summary, the sentiment, and topics will land on the same ticket as well. And calls handled by your AI voice agents, they are logged with a voice agent call label, so work done by your human team will stay clearly separated. So there you have it. If you don't have CloudTalk yet, there's a 14-day free trial in the links below. So grab it, hook it up to Zendesk, and see how it changes your support floor from the day one. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.